Good morning, folks. Welcome to my corner. This is my YouTube channel, Divine Hippie 2222. My name is Stephanie, and this morning I'm doing our focus card of the day video. So before I get into the message, I would like to share the fact that I'm no longer going to be asking you to like, share, subscribe based on a biblical principle. Basically, I'm not going to be asking that, period, at the moment, because I don't have that documentation to back that up. I have been looking and looking and looking, and I'm frustrated. So this has been a lesson for me to ensure that I say things that are accurate. I believe it's accurate. However, I have not been able to locate that verse yet. So I ordered my concordance and I got it. However, it's for the New King James Version of the Bible, and the wording is very different. And because I don't remember the exact words in the verse, I'm having a hard time using this to locate the verse in my Bible. And this is my Bible. It's the Christian Standard Bible. So I have not found a concordance for this. So anyways, I just want to let you guys know, this is why I will not be asking or mentioning this again after this video until, God willing, he sees fit to have me just stumble upon the verse, okay? So I want to apologize to you guys for sharing something that I do not have documentation for. And that's about it. We're going to move on. All right, guys. So that was a lesson for me. And because this is my learning and growing channel, I wanted to share that with you guys. Okay? So now we're going to move on. What is the focus? What is the energy that we can expect for today? Well, the card that was pulled today is the Sun. So what God is wanting us to know, this is an indication that we will be discovering all the joys that our spiritual path has to offer us in our life. This is a card of enlightenment, understanding, revelation, wisdom, clarity, epiphanies. It's also an indication that after all the hardships that life has thrown at us, we've finally reached a place of true insight, enlightenment, and contentment. We know our path, and this is an indication that we're at a place where we're happy to let things unfold in their own time, as we have complete trust in God and in the universe's, basically in God's love for us, in the universe's love for us, and where it is leading us. So it is acceptance. It is releasing. It is understanding, comprehension, and a little bit of going with the flow. No, not a little bit, going with the flow. I think that's beautiful, guys. It truly is. So, the oracle card that was pulled this morning, Blossoms of the Sky Dancer. Kuan Yin dances creative energy and light across the sky, causing blossoms to descend. Well, it's fall, right? So let's put leaves in that sentence instead. Kuan Yin dances creative energy and light across the sky, causing leaves to descend. In the same way, when we tap into our spiritual power of creation, we cause our we cause our life and all life around us to bloom. Creation is a natural spiritual power within us. Force can slow down the process. Going with the flow. It's time to stop striving and allow our manifestation to occur. Trust. Let go. Allow your creation to flow. So, the angel cards that were pulled today. Balance. Joy. Enlightenment. The sun receiving joy from letting go. From understanding that God has a plan for us and understanding its divine timing and not on our time. And knowing we have the strength. Oh God, guys, if we only understood 1/10 of our strength, the tree would be 10 times thicker. It's like we're understanding our strength and our power is in letting go. Our strength and our power is in going with the flow. I think that's fantastic, guys. So, causing blossoms to descend. Well, it's fall. Those kind of look like leaves. They are flowers, but they kind of look like leaves. So, and leaves know exactly when it's time to let go from a branch. They understand the cycle. So, understanding cycles. Understanding when it's time to let go. Understanding when it's time to allow God to move the process forward. Shows great balance. Shows contentment and enlightenment. And it's giving us permission to be happy, to be joyful through the process. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. I didn't piece this together until just now. Hold on. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys my notes real quick. Okay. Spirituality. And I'm reading backwards, so bear with me. You will be discovering the joy. Discovering the joy. Enlightenment. So today is going to be, well, let me rephrase that. The more we let go, the more we understand that there's a process. The more balanced we will become today, the happier we will be. So take some time to dance. Blossom of the Sky Dancer. Take some time to enjoy just being. And that's, in my opinion, that's where we discover our strength. Card of Enlightenment. So give yourself time to think. Give yourself time to just be. Give yourself time, 10-10. Give yourself time to enjoy. Maybe go sit with a tree today. I know it's cold, so dress, well, it's cold where I am, so dress warmly. I am anticipating happiness and beautiful energies for today because of joy, balance, and enlightenment. And how I let go is by dancing. So that's beautiful, guys. You finally reached a place of true insight, enlightenment, and contentment. Let's take a moment. If you're not there yet, relax, relax. Remember a few days ago, I said that I was, frustrated because I didn't feel like my intuition was kicking in at the time that I thought it should. And then later on that evening, I was on the phone with a friend and boom, it just happened. So relax. Maybe dancing will help you relax, to bring in this enlightenment and this contentment. Because I understand the frustrations. I can relate to, maybe I shouldn't say I can understand, because I may not be able to understand your frustrations, but I can relate to being frustrated. I can relate to forcing things and wanting things to go on my timeline and on my schedule. I can relate to all of that. And I found that when I let go, it just happens. So, but it's really easy to say, let go, let go, let go. Literally, whatever it is that you are frustrated about, walk away from. Go hug a tree today. Dance. This will bring about the balance and the joy needed, in my opinion, to allow this insight and this enlightenment and this contentment to enter in. I think that's fantastic, guys. So it's time to play some energetic, fun, funky, whatever it is that you like listening to dance, okay? That's what it's time for today. Spend time with yourself and with a tree. All right, guys. I'll see you on, Friday? I'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye.